Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your playlists in the Spotify desktop application in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Spotify app on your laptop or Windows computer, log into your account and navigate to your library. Here guys, click into playlists, navigate to the given playlist, go with this one and click into these three dots. Then you will see these options. So what you want to do is hover mouse over the lowest option here, share, and then you will have two options. You may either embed the playlist to receive, for example, an embed code by clicking into this button here. You can also click into this option to show the code. You will see the playlist here, for example, and you may use that embed code, for example, to embed your playlists on your online blog or website and so on and so forth. Option number 2, click into these three dots again, share, and then copy link to playlist. So this is going to copy the invitation link to that playlist to your clipboard so that you may now invite your friends and co-editors via direct messaging services, for example, to listen to your favorite playlists here on Spotify app as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.